Hello, I'm Shah and welcome to High Tech Vibe. In this video, I will show you how to run AI models on your iPhone without using internet. At first, you should install Enclave app from App Store. When you open the app, you will notice that the Meta LLM model is also installed. Tap on the menu at the top, and in the intelligence section, you will see AI models. By choosing this section, you will see a list of the AI models which you can download and install on your phone. Based on your iPhone specifications, you can choose a model for download and install on your local storage. When you hit the download button, wait a while for the model to download and install on your phone. When the download is complete, the green icon next to the model name indicates that it's ready to use. On the Cloud tab, you can see well-known models such as Google Gemini, Cloud, GPT, and others. Some of these models are free to access, and for Pro version, you need a Pro account in this app. After choosing the model in the chat setting, you can adjust the size and speed of the model for the response. If you are not familiar with this option, it's better not to change these settings. So let's test the app without the internet. First, select the model from the above and send a message. You will see that the model starts processing and generating a response. Keep in mind that the accuracy and speed of the response depends on the model type and size, and definitely the processing power of your iPhone. As you can see, I use Google Gemini 3 on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This model is suitable for tasks such as the content creation, answering complex questions, and it also has acceptable performance in coding tasks. If you have a space and higher iPhone models, you can also download more advanced models. It's obvious, the more advanced models you download, the better and more accurate your response will be. When the response was generated, if you tap on the clock icon at the top, you will see a chat story section. Similar to ChatGPT and other AI services, you can see your chat history here and delete them individually or share them as a JSON or text file. Well, I hope this app will help you in the emergency situations and whenever you don't have internet access. Please ask your question in the comment section. And if this video was useful for you, don't forget to like it and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
High Tech Vibe.